for it. Look for it.
I found one.
I found a teeny.
So I found one. Now I
found a teeny weeny one.
Yeah.
Now we clean it.
Yeah.
Like
Clean
this.
and keep on the plate.
I have found another one now.
Now
Good job.
we found this.
No, that's not potato.
This. Now I'm gonna put it back. Now we will check in this plant.
No, not that one. Okay, that is not the dried. Only this. Here, look for here.
I have found another
Look
potato.
here, Bunny.
It looks like a nut, but I have found another potato.
Oh, this
Good.
is the biggest potato I've found.
Show.
That's really big.
This is
Show
the
them.
biggest potato I've found.
Okay.
This is the size of my mommy's camera.
Okay, I'm taking out this plant, huh? And let's see if how.
I found a potato. I found a potato.
It was hanging on that.
Plant's root.
Yeah. Just let's see here then. Okay.
I found another one, but it's not that ripe.
That's okay.
Now we clean it. Now we put it.
Try digging. Try digging.
Yes, I found it.
You both found.
Should we? Let's do it together, Vivon.
Let's do it together. Yeah.
So we found and we are cleaning it now.
Yes. Well done, guys.
We found it together.
It is a huge one.
Yeah, it's the most biggest one. Now we'll find. Oh,
Found it!
We want you won't find eggs. Look for here.
Oh,
If any more are there.
I saw one. Oh yes.
We found it together.
Oh yeah. Oh
Good
yeah.
job.
Oh yeah. In total, we have found
Let's count.
Look for more.
one. In total,
I have found another potato.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Well done.
Potatoes.
Look for more if you
There
can
is a hole
find.
over here. You can find some. Oh, this is wrong.
This is really fun playing in the soil.
Oh, I found one.
Well done. It look like there are some
We
more.
have 10 potatoes now.
Yes, and I've even found some roots underground.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Just
Let's
dig it,
follow
guys.
the roots, and then we can find it. Just follow the roots.
Dig it, guys. Dig it.
Dig under, dig.
Oh my God, this is very deep.
Then if you have gone so deep, then I don't think there will be any more.
Let's look. So
Is it fun putting your hands inside soil?
it's so soft and playy.
Have we found a potato yet?
No, but I feel this is oh.
It's okay now. Leave it.
Let's find it.
नहीं बेटा वो वाली नहीं
Please
है.
find them.
Listen.
Oh, I found more. I found. Yeah. 11. We found 11.
Just dust it out.
Ooh, I love putting my hands in the soil.
Have we searched to the very bottom already?
No, please don't.
I touched the bottom.
All right then. Leave it now. Okay.
Me too. I've touched it.
Just dust. We want just dust out. Leave it now. अपना हाथ का सारा soil clean कर लो. वहीं पे clean करिए. संजिल आप भी clean कीजिए.
Oh, look at your pants, Stringent.
संजिल अपने पैंट को भी clean कर
I'll
लीजिए.
brush it out.
So, can you guys count finally how many we are?
11.
No, not 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Oh, well, let me count.
No. I don't think we want you counted
1, 2,
good.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Did you count this one? 13?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Yes. All right. Okay, now leave it. जाओ अपना हाथ धो लो जाके. चलो. Well done, guys.
We love playing in the soil.
Well done. I'm glad कि आप लोग को अच्छा लगा. Vivan, did you like it?
There were about 12 potatoes.
And you like taking them out?
Yeah, I love taking them out with my friends.
Okay, go.
So next time when we are harvesting potato, we will love, and this time we will make up to 30. Okay?
Okay.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye.